Hello everyone and welcome back again with this unboxing video of OPPO Enco M32. In this video we're taking a look at the OPPO Enco M32 neckband and I'm gonna share my thoughts on this neckband. This is the first time unboxing an OPPO earphone on this channel and we're gonna unbox many in future, I hope so. We'll talk about the pricing later in this video. First let's tear off this package and see what we get inside, shall we? On the front we get earphone itself, and behind this we have this packet. We get some paperwork inside, and I'm glad that this comes with type C cable and some extra earbuds as well. Let's see how sturdy this feels. This earphone feels so lightweight and quality of plastic is also good. On the right side we get 3 buttons, one for volume up, one for volume down, and middle one is multifunctional button. On the left side we do get nothing but this OPPO badging. This is how earbuds look. The overall quality is also good and okay. Let's take a look at the spec sheet. If you go to OPPO's official website to buy this earphone or to get to know more about this, the first thing you see at the front is 10 minutes of charge can take you up to 20 hours of music playback. That's insane. And you can charge this earphone with type C cable and it can deliver 28 hours of long battery life on single charge. This neckband is also IP certified, IP55 dust and water resistant. Comes with 10 of dynamic drivers, and I won't talk about the how good or bad the sound quality of this earphone has because I haven't checked it out yet. Bluetooth 5.0. This earphone also has automatic play and pause. That means if you split this earphone, it automatically pair with your device, and if you put them together, they'll be powered off. I think this feature is nice and it also helps to save your battery. Audio frequency response range is 20 Hz to all the way up to 20,000 Hz, which is a very basic. This earphone is not something that I recommend if you are looking for a basic earphone. Considering a good battery life it should have in less price, because there are many options in the market available in less price than what OPPO is asking. You can check Boat's Rockers 255 Plus, which has 40 hours of battery life, which is available just in 1299 rupees. I'm not doing any promotional stuff for Boat or OPPO or any other brand, but I just want to let you know guys about this. This earphone is available at around 1599 rupees on Amazon and same on their official website. Comes in 2 shades, black and green. Although this has some solid functions like dual device fast switching, automatic play and pause, I'll still say consider some other brands if you're trying to buy this earphone, because most people don't even know what extra features exist on their earphone. But if you get a chance to buy this earphone in sale for around like 1000 or 1200 rupees, I'll say don't miss the deal. Now it's time to share your thoughts on this video. I'll be very happy to read them out. See you soon. Peace out. See you guys in the next video.